Hi everyone. So today we are at Punaradham in Sitamarhi, where Ma Sita took birth, and there are many students of AG English. They are students of AG English, and we are here to share information about Ma Janki. What is the history of Ma Janki? So they are students of AG English. So say once hi. Okay. Good evening to all of you. So there are many students. His name is Sasi. Look here, and his name is Mayank, Vishal, and Dheeraj. We can say Chanakya. We say him, and this is MD Mustafa, and dear Aditya, come here. Yeah, he is Aditya. So all students will share information about Ma Janki. Okay, so let's see. Sasi is going to share information about Ma Janki. Okay, Sasi, now start. Okay, good evening, everyone. I am here to for I am gathered here because I am today is a holiday. Today is Sunday, so we are decide to I go on the temple Punaradham. Okay, because I am enjoying a lot because I have a time for because today is a Sunday because today is a holiday. So that's why I come here. This is the place of Ma Janki Janamastali. You can look because I have many stories about it. First of all, thank you for all of the students, all of the my best friend and sir also, Mr. Naval sir. I am very excited for the sharing this event, sharing the information about the this place. This is the also name is also known as the Majanki Janamastali. Is the history of the is here is the exact locations. Mata Janki is the born here because that time the Mata Janki is the fathers of the father is a Janak. That time the King Janak is a emperor of the Mithila state. Uh, King Janak, that time King Janak faced many problems, and their people face many problems. That's why one priest suggested to the King Janak, if you plow the field, okay, and then after that you can gone off the famine. So King Janak plow the field, plugging the field, Mithila to here because and in Sitamari, in before that sorry behind that this temple, behind the temple is a one kund is a Sita Kund. Ma Sita is and after finding the Sita Mata Sita, rainfall is happening. So we have all farmers, all people, were very excited, all were enjoying a lot because this is an event of the joyful. So and here is a many pilgrimage, many tourists comes here. It means if I talk about the exact locations, so come here. So first of all, 5 kilometers west in the town of Sitamari. This is the exact location of the situated the Sitamari, Bihar. There are 75 kilometers far from the Muzaffarpur. And if you talk about the Patna, so in Patna, almost 150 kilometers far from Patna. Easy to come here because many travels, many vehicles daily come and goes. So and in behind that after some time I show you behind the Janki temple. Okay, one pond is available. So one pond is the name of the Sita Kund. Okay, so after some time I tell the story of the I tell the story about to the Sita Kund. Okay. So let's say Sita Kund. Where is Sita Kund? And we will share about information about Sita Kund. You can see this is the main temple of Ma Janki, and this is the way of Sita Kund. We are going to Sita Kund, and you can see the scenario is very good. You can see ambience is even very good, calm. This is the temple of Hanumanji. You can see, and this is the a statue of many lords like Lord Shiva, Vishnu, Lord Rama. Hey students, look this side.
We are very excited, sir.
Really, we are very excited. So you can see there is behind there is a pond. This is called this is called Sita Kund.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Sita going.
So yeah, scenery of this temple is very good.
Yeah. Waterfall.
This is waterfall.
It's a heritage, a charming.
There are many temples, under Punara Dham. You can see. So we arrived at Sita Kund, and you can see Swagatam Sita Kund Sita Udhan. Yeah. Even behind this there is a garden, park. You can say.
Tourist point is there, sir. You can check after that.
If you want to visit Sita Kund or Punara Dham, there are many numbers. You can meet and you can call, and you will get vehicle service easily. So Aditya is going to share information about Sita Kund.
Yes, sir.
Okay, start, dear Aditya.
Okay, there is a palace known as a Sita Kund. Yeah, this very historical palace. This palace known as a Sita Kund. And then that was a time era, and that was the time Raja Janak was a king of Janakpur, and then plugging this palace. Then after that Sita birth this palace, and then Sita after that at that time weather is totally changed, and it was raining, and then everywhere wind, and that was a very raining fall, and then after that most of people thinking about, and this is the more impact more time, and then Sita is the born there, and this palace known as a Sita Kund, and then this is the very this palace is the also Sita belong to Sita, and then after that Sita went Janakpur, and then Janakpur the palace was the Janakpur temple, and then lived there princess of the Janakpur become Sita, marriage Ram, and then after that Ramanya circuit, and nowadays Punawra Dham is known as the Janki temple, and then this is the palace also including in a Swadesh Yojana and a scheme of the Indian government like Ramayan circuit, and Ramayan circuit known as the Parsad also the Parsad scheme, and Parsad scheme stands for historical palace they are belonging to Ramayana, and then all of the palace belonging to each other, and then do you want to visit in this palace, then you have to first of all you have to come in Sitamari, and then you can see this palace. This palace is very beautiful. Now he's going to share about the infra, infrastructure of this temple. Okay, start now.
So hello guys, today we are standing here in Punawra Dham. So this is the exact location where the Ma Sita was releasing from the fall by the Raja Janak. So this is the exact place. So that Ayodhya, it is the born place of Ram, and it is also the
Ma
born
Sita,
place
not
of Sita.
yeah,
So
yeah.
here, what is the development here, and what should be changes from here, and we will talk about it. So you can see this is Sita Kund, where the Sita Mata exactly revealed by the soul. So here we can see the infrastructure. So come on, guys. So this is a garden. It is called the Sita Udhan, and here you can see the infrastructure. So it is very good, but it should be changed. something because the politician there is no any political attention. So government should to develop in this sector because this is our holiest place for Hindu religion. Those people who is very curious in Hindu religion and for traditional places. So this is very good for visit and you must come. You can see there is a lot of temple for sons and there is the Sita Kund and here we showed you the Sita temple. So there is a lot of thing and if you want to come in Sitamari, so there it is far away from 5 kilometers from Sitamari and you should come here. And this is no approximately from Patna this is 150 kilometers and if you want to come so this is must visited place by pilgrims and this have been a tourist attraction for long, so you must come here and
Now ready.
Hello, all of you. I am going to share information about Janatpur. How far is Janatpur here to the?
the weather is very good.
Janatpur. 3 kilometers is the Janatpur far from Sitamari to the, and that place is very famous.
One swimming pool is available, yeah, bro. One swimming pool is available,
Yeah, and that on Janatpur every year many foreigners they come for the like the tourism place and there's many years Indian government they provided to the money
भीड़ है ना फर्स्ट बार हो पाया
and there was
वो लोग ठीक बोला था ना
it was a situation nowadays in the Nepal and in past era it was not just it was all area comes under of the Mithila Empire and that time the king of the Mithila Empire was Janathan. That's why even in Mithila not just Janatpur, Sitamari, Shivhar, Samastipur, Darbhanga, Muzaffarpur, all merge in this what is merged in this Mithila. And if you talk about the Maithili name of this Majanti, if you want to know the Maithili name of the Majanti, then you then told Badehi in the Maithili. We are known as the name of the Badehi in Maithili. And we are here, as we know that once story is the share, I am going to share about every year in the Sitamari, every year, the people of Sitamari celebrated the occasion of the Janmashtami because that year every people they are very excited for the to take the religion because ours in the Sanatan Dharma is very big dharma in and if you thought this is the oldest religion of the all over the world and no any other religion is the all here every year many actors many sermons they comes to the in the Sitamari and if you talk about every year if Ram Bhadracharya they comes in Sitamari and they provided sermon to the people and everywhere.
So guys, we short video on Punaura Dham. So next video we are gonna shoot on so हम लोग अब जानकी टेम्पल पर शूट करेंगे. अभी पुनौरा धाम में है, जानकी मंदिर है, वहाँ पर हम लोग शूट करने वाले हैं. तो बताइए बच्चे कैसा लगा? चलिए बहुत ही अच्छा. फिर हम लोग नेक्स्ट वीडियो शूट करेंगे और इसी ढंग से हम लोग फिर से जाएंगे किसी स्थान पर और हम लोग इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर करेंगे ताकि बाहर के लोगों को भी पता चले. Wave your hands. Guys, wave once. Hi. Thank you for watching video. We will meet in next video. Yeah, this is very good.
The market भी थोड़ा visit हो जाए.
Yeah, this is the market where
where you can buy it.
हम शॉपिंग करते हैं, बार्गिंग कर लेंगे ना. शॉपिंग में बार्गिंग कर लेंगे.
this is back side you can see this is a pandal being made for
दुर्गा पूजा
this is
फेमस
for Dasahara.